Nog steeds kunnen staan? Wel? Ja, ik zit aan de linkerkant. Zo, dat moet komen. Ja,
En dan ben je bang.
Van de standing is al sprake van hier.
Klein beetje bang.
We gaan het proberen met het geluid. Ja, mocht het nou toch niet helemaal goed staan, dan proberen we met z'n allen een klein tikje zachter te praten. Als we het geluid te hard gaan zetten, dan heb je net gehoord, dan gaan we heel erg die foto niveau. Dan worden we ook niet. En dus mocht je niet kunnen staan, dan stuur we wat vuur even aan. Dan weet je het volume dan wat zachter houden. Dus daar kan iedereen bij kunnen staan. Voor niet voor de allereerste keer in deze berg. Ook best wel een hele hoop. Nou, welkom bij ons. Ik wil jullie eentje voor deze bar.
En nog niet slagen.
Vanaf de boot weer uiteindelijk door.
Was it leuk? Ja, was it leuk? Was it leuk? Keke? Keke, was it leuk?
Ja?
Was leuk? Lies, was it leuk? Nacho? Was it leuk?
Dat is dubbel geteld. Ja. Kijk, de eerste vaartpas hebben we hier in zo'n eiland 40 miljoen mooie vaart. Dat is best veel. Bij de hele vaartpas
Ja? Wow. It's rose.
Yeah, but it's not flamingo.
It's not flamingo,
Yeah,
eh?
flamingo have long things and do like this on one leg. From here.
What?
They can come from here.
Ah. Nacho, are you okay? Look at them. Look at that one. Why are you scared? Are they sleeping? Yeah. Did you see something? What is that? That one.
Speaking, that was an egg. It's just he's working.
Quack quack. Nacho, you having fun? Yeah, it's good. Wow. Come on. Wow. Good, good job. Oh yeah, come on, Grootmeid. She did it. Wow. Come on. Wow. Good job. Come on. Wow. Good job. Nacho, come on. Wow. Good job. You okay? Stand up.
De zebra moeten we
Wow. Good job.
zebra moeten we ook zien.
Nu kan je beter zien? Ja, misschien een beetje stappen. Voilà. It's better nu? This is what they are looking at. Hey Nacho, come terug. Come, we go. Come, we go to the other side. Yeah? She just want to do that, if not. You happy now? You happy now? Okay, come down. They are even two. Duma. Wow. Wow, good job. Ah, look at her reaction. Yeah. Yeah, Kiki. Remove that hair. Yeah? Elephant. They are super, super big. Honey, they are coming, they are coming, they are coming. Look, look, look. I'm trying to scare them, but they are not scared. Are you guys scared? No, they are not. Yeah. Yes. Giraffe. Look at her. She's screaming, "Mama, mama, mama." She's excited. Ah, look, she's posing. She thinks I'm taking pictures. Mama is not taking pictures, honey. Look at that. Come on. Nacho, come on, go after your sister. No, she cannot do it, and she's too small. Nacho? Where is she? Okay. Ah, look at her. Help, why? Nacho? Come, Eno? Mama is here. Cool, eh? Wow, good job. What do you? She's so cool. Come on, if Kendra don't want to come. Wow. Are you okay? Wow, good job. And Ochoya, come. Wow. You okay? Sorry. She hurt herself. Nacho, leave there. Let your sister come down. See the woman. Oh yeah, leave there. Kiki is coming. Kiki is coming. Are you okay? Kiki, are you okay? You? Come on. Wow. Good job. Look at them.